Kublai pi baro. Pepe yagari khasi channel ni wan raja piya ka thuk khubor jang kani katio menta. Ki phang ki bakong san. Yok Jilaya ka Chief Secretary kin thei khasi ka beningkong. Pinbana ka ECI ya ka election shiteng samoy halai jaka. Pinbana ka tong ka NPP dang up ka seng Congress. Pintibu chairman ka MCCL ba shen on sa penyat no ki riu shimet ya ka PSU jong ka MCCL. Namar ka surkun ut yaubay, kindai sin mi kerteng ka shnong kong thong ha parliament. Let yasad ka FASTM na ka bentay kinong ka school ad hoc. Da ka wheelchair ka bakum ka scooter yo usam lao badan jingduna hakit khotmet na West Khasi Hills district. Rakhi ka RBT and ED forum ya ka World Tourism Day hamar ngar let. Daka Food Fest bat kachim khai dok happen long ka MYWS ban sinyang pisa shaka school bat kiwei de ki khubor ngene phai metash ki khubor bnya ka jila Meghalaya kala thung yei kong Rebecca Visu Changkum ka Chief Secretary Jong ka jila hadien ka jing shong that no jong MS Rao bat yakate ka shuki ila shimti na duka live photari ubnai balala
Laban kado bay kong Rebecca Visu Chang inde ka kinthai khasi baning kong jong ka jila ban yobat ekni ka kadan trekam ha ka sarkar jila Ikong Suchang ilapa si Indian Administrative Service Exam House name Shajar Khandai Spa Prap Khandai. Yakaba minta ibat ikashuki Additional Chief Secretary Jaka Sarkar Meghalaya but idei pe ikitanat Personal and Administrative Reforms, Cabinet Affairs, Finance, Home Police bar kwek de. Hadien be in Shimti kumka Chief Secretary Jaka Sarkar Meghalaya ikong RV Suchang in Treiru kumka State Vigilance Commissioner.
Ka High Level Committee HLC ya ka balathung ha ubnai jiliu jong ka snem arajar khatpra na ka benta ban khmi bnya halor ka jingdawa ban pin kin ria no ya ka Harijan colony lani ka themmator shakawai pat ka jaka ha ka arpu pratari ubnai balala minta ka snem kala IT no ya ka kai phot ka jongka shaka sarkar jilla
Haba pinte biya kani uba Preston Tinsong Menteri Rang Ba Bandra Pasarkar Jilla baru belong ru chairman jakani ka committee ulong ba ka committee ka deban le ela ka kamram ban minta pat la dei saka kinhun menteri jong ka Sarkar Jilla ban yakren bat yamir jimud halor kani
When we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this. And ultimately, when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this state.
By when means at least if the time frame like within this year it will be done or like within 1 month any time.
No, right now I can't say anything as I said because just tonight we submitted the report. We have already submitted the report. So now it is up to the government. So let the chief minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say. But I would like to see that the discussion takes place at the earliest possible in the cabinet.
Umentri Rangba ka jilla Conrad ke sangma ulo ong ba ha ka baydei ba kani ka kai phot jong ka High Level Committee HLC ka baydei bat ka jingpin kin ria no ya ka themmator on sa pej bini ashwa da ka political department but hadien kata on sa ra ru hakmat jong ka kanhun menteri
Habaikran berkatu kan ni ginong tho khobor Conrad ulong bayakani ka kai phot la banyakran no ha kinhun menteri ka ban sa shong ha kini kitayo gi banwan ne ha ka weipat Hagiju ka por ula penpau ke jing ai kublei ki khot ka HLC ha po ka jala mo ba Preston Tinsong ki bratrei shita man pinkre e ni ka kai phot ha ba ki la pulut bon bhai ka por ban lumi ki jing tho ki jing khen bar ki wei
The recommendation and the entire report of the committee has been submitted. We will be going through that committee report and then we will be taking it up in the cabinet next. Only once we take it up in the cabinet will we come to a decision how to move forward. But finally the committee has done a lot of work and a lot of hard work has gone in. I must congratulate the Deputy Chief Minister and the other members of this committee who have really worked very hard and put this committee in this put this report in after a lot of long hours being put into the study and reports to be prepared. And now, as I said, the cabinet will sit, will go through the entire process of going through the suggestions and take necessary steps based on the suggestions given.
Laban kro hang ni bahadin ka jaki halor ka themator ho banai jemang jaka snam aja khatpra ka sarkar klathung da ka High Level Committee ban pelut iki jingdan kambaro na du ka jingdan briu hadu ka jingdan ki batrei bat ka sarkar hakri ka jaka basa ki nong pan khoi jong ka nong ba shalong
Hadian ba ka election commission jong kari India kala dapin benaya ka tarik na kabenta ka election siteng samoy hamoring keneng mau plang ba Raja Bala kaseng NPP ka badon hakabor sin shar kala pen benaya ka kerteng jong ki kertong na mauring keneng ba Raja Bala bat kala e no shwapat ya ka mau plang.
U Dr. W. Kharlukhi, State President ke NPP, Ulaithu bana mauring keneng on Prinyang do ba Prinyai Singh's aim, Chairman ke KHDC, ba na Raja Bala on Prinyang yo Abdul Saleh ubalong MLA Barim. Nagabanta ka mau plang u Dr. Kharlukhi uloang ba on sa penpena hadian, Henry ki kubor ki yathu ba ke NPP kala on Prinyang do way ni ki MDC ubala rimbaha joko Congress uba lamprang bala.
We have decided for Raja Bala it should be Abdul Saleh, and for Maurang Keneng is Prinyai.
And for Moplang?
Moplang we still keep it pending for a few days.
Do you have candidates for Moplang? Has
I think
anybody
we will be
approached?
having. You just wait. Have some patience.
But then you all are keen to contest in all the three, right?
Yes.
Or will you be contesting?
We will contest on all the three.
On all the three.
On all three. Yes.
And how confident are you all about winning this seat?
I'm 100% confident winning. In every fight I took, I'm always confident of winning.
Karbana kaliang kaseng Congress par u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong bakaseng kan sesyang majid kertong namar kadon laki jong kirukom trekam. Henry ulong par baki pajba kan jid bed ye ka Congress khamtam habakila yo ye ka jing trekam kani ka sarkar bamenta.
Yeah, people will determine the fate of every candidate. And as of now, what we see is that with all instances of lack of governance, which is visible everywhere, I know what people will decide.
U President jong ka UDP ba bet ba lingdo ulapin bena ba u nong ilakai ba paunam jong ka jila u Eugene Lingdo u balong kun jong ba SK Sun bam kwa dwaru blai un sami banya kun haka election shiteng samoy na kaseng UDP haka Moplang constituency haka ni ka election shiteng samoy ka bansalong haka lai photri mentau benai.
Ya kani ke jingpin bena lapimla hadian bau ba Eugene Sonling do ularung sya kaseng UDP ha ke jingerang kablalong henne ke sengi ke lai photrik unai luar hamongam ha kani ke sengi lai dan langru unjal sekretari kaseng UDP u Dr. Jemno Mautho u menteri ke sarkar jela u ba lakman rembui u CM ke KCDC u ba Titas Talwal Khan lembat kiwe
kalian jong i ba Eugene ila submit ya ka application ba ka apply sa district ba donbok bang idon hamni President juga District East Khasias, bana kalian juga ilu, ila scam yang ini, ka jing apply tiket ke jogi, bat menta kalau koi saka state, bat menenmin, ila dat I authorization yang ini, ban blend ya kebanun kam, menta kasih lala kanan kam yang ya kebangin benda. Tenamar ke jindawa yang kapor, hagani kapor. Ngasuhan betul. Dan kalau sokmen ba iba Eugene Lingdo Moplang ide official candidate na ka Moplang konstitusi haka tiket UDP. Nagaliang jo ka parti but ngasuhan ong kung ka kintin jekin bok ruyan nagaliang ka parti ये बा यूजीन और ये कसम के जो भी बा कने के इलेक्शन को कमेंटा कने के इलेक्शन को कंपेयर न किवे की इलेक्शन बारो इंदुआई में उन्हें उन्होंने कर बाती बा यूजीन kalau sisa ke ba ba ke ban sitong hai di ban benda hak jingli jungo igu bon tradisno uble undi sumal ai ga boliti un krisan boliti akan election bagini uble un ai ya ga jinjo ko badon burong ya pi balik konsulsi bro ko
Engkau ko anai ko play pelayo kani kalat kami don memberikan apa kesini. Krish punya people pasal pelak orang kenang punya dan ni. Kajingka juga pa kapakin dit kalong kabasu Jesus si pakra. Jadi untang kaya kesan kamu pelang konstitusi mat kejelan di Brokaway. Iba ilong Ibrahim ba kakam keren kam jam banyak sekian haka punya terik haka sini kau punya tayo pi pai pa kawan cepat hanya hieng Manpit snow yang ini, kum kayen kesem, berkerpa, yang mangan mie kemat, mangan budin yang ini kam lupa. Nadok dah kajing sosi kawakrau, abang ini, mapiawan, hangni, mapit snow, kajing pun kejumpi. Banganga di bersim di bawah kikya. Yang ini akan baipa lagi stempor. Kum kayen nilai syong, nilai berkat. Paham tu kasih ini pilang kuat kerai nak kayen. Tendrai kum kayen yang syong yang berkat. Berkat lang yang besanilang. Namata kini rekam. Mengalapan lebih, lapan porsi sini arsni, mangan yo. Menyatuat jumlah pakai yang kesem, pakai yang nyakar pakar. Dan kejilan, kakursul, bakurindo, mak tinggal kejing muncul lang. Kila orang yang bagi lahat, bagi nangya sekuat. Hang ni entah sini ngayang hakmat kejopi ba lingkap kejing kitpok kejing kitruya kakursun kakurindo ban kumju kejing kitpok kitruam pi kipat ba bangga warai namba pangan siti pangan budin yang kini rekam ipan baina Bisa kunci tempor. But kaba ila incident yang ini banyak pi baru. But habang alarai tamba pangan budin ini kam yang lekat pangala pampenjan ini kam.
State President Jangka Nationalist Congress Party NCP Saleng Sangma ulapan bena baka seng NCP kan omikun haka election shiteng samoy ne kaba election kaban solong haka lai potri Risau mentakasnam.
NCP is not filling up in any of the constituency right now because we haven't decided also, and then I have not got any green signal from the Delhi also, and then I haven't given any kind of a how would you say apprise them also about this election because we were not in that positions to give any candidate.
Habla kali halor kejing kershan jong u yagno kanu keseng sen perthai usaleng sangma uloong banamar bodan lang hak sarkar senrap kejing kershan jong u kan lehi shak sarkar MDA ulapan pau rupat baga shong sa ki pai ba yanu kinjit.
Right now nobody has approached me yet, but since I am from the capitals and moreover good, bad, ugly. Since I'm with the MD government, definitely I think I have to go with the MD right now.
So the leader of the opposition today has maintained that because of the lack of the governance and the lawlessness in the state, people will vote for the Congress. So how do you see that?
You see, people are unpredictable. We have seen now before. It's like this, we have seen lots of agitation against the previous government. We have seen lots of movement against, every government. But ultimately, during the election, they succumb to the, usual weaknesses.
Nakaliang kaseng BJP part of Ernest Maury State President ulapente bakaseng kala dapen kre banyakun na Raja Bala constituency barkajing pen kre na kabenta ka Mauplang constituency kadang yach khaman yaki kerteng jaki kertong on sapen bana khamhadin
from Maurangkreng, like before also I have stated, the organization setup is not in order. We have not complete the Mandal committee or the polling board committee. And Mauplang also, we are preparing now. But Rajabala, we have all the organizations set up, right from the Mandal committee to the polling booth committee. So till today, before the announcement of the election also, we have got 3-4 candidates who approach us for the ticket to fight from our party.
Can you give us these names, these 4 candidates who have approached?
It is too early to disclose the name now. I think within a week we will let you know, because now we have to ask the application from the respected candidate, those who want to contest election.
So BJP is only confident for Rajabala but not the other 2 constituencies. Is that how we see it?
Till today, Rajabala we have prepared, and Mauplang also we are looking for the ground to prepare for election.
U chairman Jongka Maumro Chera Cement Limited uba Wailat Meki Shala haka arpu nyotre ubanai balala ulapentip baka sorkar jala ka don kaching thmuban privatize ne ban IT no apo paching penya Jongki Ryushimet yakate ka karkhana
Ba Wailat Meki ulai thoru baka sorkar kala pelat yakatandar naga benda ki private party ban them haka ban penya yakane ka company lemba ka PPP mod une u chairman Jongka Maumro Chera Cement Limited ulapan paru yakajing scam baka public sector unit kala ban pen imbyang hadir bakal project lapanya lembaga PP mode.
MCL to like last time, since last time because the details and all has been sent to the planning department from the industries and all. So now they are getting ready with it, and then because I think there were slight delay because of the session and all. So I think it will come very soon.
So like any time frame at which you're looking to finally complete the entire process?
Means we want to finish it as soon as possible, because we understand that because as soon the delay is because we have to look after the staff, the workers and all. So we want to complete it as soon as possible, but there are certain things which we cannot skip.
So like, do you think that this idea of privatization will revive the MCCL, because earlier also several attempts were made but MCCL could not be revived, sir?
No, means before attempt were there, but mostly because there was some support from the government. But privatization, I think this is the first time. So looking at the present scenario, means like because of the pandemic and all. So we feel that privatization is the only option left with us now. And since from the beginning, as I was saying, I'm quite confident that MCCL will come up, because MCCL already has that name, brand, and even now, like if you compare with quality, MCCL is still the best. So means like most of the company means like they used to spend crores and crores of rupees means in building brand name, which MCCL already have. So I think we just need a good private party which will come forward and invest.
So there are fears that if a private company takes over, the government will lose its control over MCCL and the concerns of employees will not be addressed.
No, that is not big. Because as we already said it clearly from the beginning, government will hold stake. Will hold the stake, which it will still have the power, means in decision making, and it will look the interests of the stakeholder also.
How many interested parties has come up so far?
No, because as of now we have not even floated the EOI, so we cannot tell you that. But there are many parties which have come forward to me and then to some other you also, means like who are interested. But as of now I cannot say because we have not even floated the EOI.
So like in this competitive market where we have these private cement companies, lot of cement companies are there. So like, is there any mechanism or do you have any strategy to see that MCCL really comes up and poses a tough challenge for these private companies also which are operating here?
Because as of now I cannot tell you that, because because as I said, because we even have not even floated the EOI. So means once the EOI come, we'll see the party, then only we'll sit, and then from the government side we'll decide what need to be framed and then all that.
U MLA ka Jowai uba Wailat Meki Shalau la pentip ba ka Jowai Municipal Board kala de pelat ya ka tender na ka benta ka Jakarta nyot ka Bathamai ha Jowai.
la ban pun gamau ba ka sor jowai kalama ya sibun ki jing e halor ka jing bret ya kinyut hakini khindiat sngi bladem bat baro ki jabo na sor jowai la wara lut seselong ha ka ju kapor uba wailat mi ki silau la pentip ru babun ki pai ba ki la penpau ba ki la ban ai jaka na ka bantau ban thau ya ka jaka the nyut thmai ha juwai khanang ba baro ki jing e jong ka jing the nyut kon kut no.
As soon as like there was a protest from that old side, so from the municipal department we have called this means EOI for the who means like to come forward to for the land field, and then 15 of last month of this month was the last date, and we have got so many lands which so many parties have come up, and then now the scrutiny of the paper is going on. And then once it is final, then we'll send our task force team to check their land, and then we'll buy it, and then I think.
So like how much time it's likely to take, because this has been a very long pending issue in my side.
Yeah, pending issue means like but since before there was no protest and all, so nothing was done. But as of now, the thing is moving very fast. And I'm quite confident that once we get, because it's we just need the land. Once we get the land, there's no problem, because from the urban department also they have clearly said that we'll buy the land. So now, because we already the tender already has been called, the party already has come, and then it just need that, because we need to, the task force team has to go, and then all the means like the department has to give their assent on it. And then once we finalize on that, then we can take the land.
So how many locations have been proposed?
As of now, I cannot tell you that, because since the last time I spoke, I think quite a number of land of people who have come forward to offer their land. But exactly, I cannot tell you that.
So for now, to understand the issue, what is the temporary setup that is there? Where are people, where is this garbage being dumped, and what is the situation?
No, because like last time, I think if you remember, because we had a settlement with that the old land. So all those village means like they agreed that they have we come to agreement that they will allow us for 3 months. So now we are under that 3 months. The second month is going on. So like until this 3 months, we can dump in that old garbage. And then even then, we already have a separate arrangement also for temporary for dumping of this garbage for temporary. Even now also we have a temporary arrangement also. But I hope that until this you will settle, we won't have any problem.
Hadin kitu ki khubor nya senge sha shipangpor ngi 15 years pidang nya sabang ina kabenta kini ki bibat ki khubor namar ka sur kun ut yaube kendai sin mi kerteng ka snong kong thong ha parliament let aside ka FASTM na kabenta ki no high school ad hoc da ka wheelchair ka bakum ka scooter yo usamla obadan jingduna ha ki khotmet na West Khasi Hills district rakhi ka RBT and ED forum ya ka World Tourism Day hamar ngar lek Daka Food Fest bat kaching khwai dok ha penlong ka MYWS ban sinyang pisa shaka school bat kibe de ki khubor
No, kamay mta si. Kam biang phi. Belayu. Pi so diao ba. Kadao ko lang ba ngam pat sim ketika ya da COVID-19 te. Takadao ki brio ki smo atatien te ban ki ka taksi jonga. Dia boleh pa pemilih semeta encek kita? Kata kan kuat tambah ngasmu kelumar jemut benlek atau online ter bas kowe kolong bangamdan teh ke phone ke babiang badan ning internet. Hentip saya bagi sorka kalau sedang mana etika kelam dan kaman bukupa pisulej bed kadang tuang tu penyoy ka. Syasa? Ha, pisulej bed akan kuno ke caka encek akan kuno ke sini bagi ai dengkat bak ID jong pi ba penyoy ketika dana kelam COVID-19. Himtan kamban ne lupa kena guna registration. Kin sebenarnya ia ketu kecaka etika. Kata ti khubor babae kan nga. Ai to kata saya kendo mo. Abab beli fikir kia. Nakir ki ban simno ketika ya da menta kesini. Maphipan. What I doubt you. Sime ketika ya da klem da pensap issue ekapor.
National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya.
Pilaiwan pai biang singi kari khasi channel ngenya beteng biang mentai ki khubor. U MP jong ka Raja Sabha u Professor Rakesh Sinha ulaya thubat ong ba ka snong kong thong kabla paunam ha ka perthai baro ka wei namar ka surkin ur ka sur yaw bei kalami hadu khandai sin khandai wat hapo Raja Sabha ba haluk sabha banya krench phang jong ka.
Ulong ba apa judan kinu kishnong hakari India hakini ki arpos nem banya kren hadu katni sin ha parliament ulong ba kani ka peni ba kani kishnong ka pau nam bha usen haula pen pau e kani ha ka jelang ka blalong ha khong thong ha ka arpnyo tere gunai lur arja arpoi ha bola lejingo kum ka dak ban kitbok kitwiang hadin ba kani kishnong ka badan ha khar arshnong kala yorung ha ka jia khun ha UNESCO kum ka wei ni kishnong suwari perthai ne best tourism village ha ka perthai
attracted by this village. Now, after some development and the attraction of the people, the government of India proposed before the United Nations to accept as the best tourism village. Now, thing is that this distinct culture should be a part of research. So there should be lab, museum for preserving the distinct sounds, so that in future generation, posterity should understand what is the tradition, what is the basis of tradition, what is the impact of this tradition. This tradition should not be left just for tourists as entertainment. This is not entertainment, and this is a civilizational characteristics. Though so, I am also proposing that this village should be part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. When you will accept that cultural heritage, then the entire world resources would be put together to preserve the culture, to strengthen the people who perpetuated this culture and this tradition.
Usen haula ra ekanega kam hakasnam aja khakhandai Raja Sabha but baro ke record kila ajing kershan ulong baling bagane ka kongthong minta kala kum ka cultural capital jong ka jila Meghalaya Hagani ka jelang ki paj ba na do ki khna hado ki blasan kilai mi ban priang so bhayu nu MP ubrashim khia ban pin pauna megani kishnong namar ka surkin od yaw bei Hagani ka jelang la dan lang ru MLA jo ka so raw ba given Magwell Milim ubla ai kuble yu nu MP namar ka jingshim khia jong u ban pin pauna me ka ne kishnong hakeleng ka perthei la ban ka do hang ne ba kishnong khong thong ka long ka wei ne kishnong ha khat ar shnong ka ba ki brio ha ba ki khot ne perta yanu kim khot da ka kerteng hidre ki dan la ki jong ki rukop kin od bakilaya bu nadu bakidang khai ki khun ya kabala jutip kum gesur ket ud yaw bei
nakaling jungi nadu ka sin kasngi ka banungkong hadin bangi I ya kata ka jigros pa jungi ka koso hamtam leng bang jington ka jingro yaw bei kala ketik ngi kum samla jong snong ba ngi deban nei nang taban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ka roi ka pa jong snong de kum tang la form ya ka cooperative society ban ngi la ya promote ya ka kam juga ka perthei but sisa ka along ka ba ngila ba sungu ka ba nakaleng jong gibrio ka buon ka ban kila ai man sim kila ai ka jero but khamtam nakaleng ka soka lembaga cooperative department but ka tourism department kila sim ka initiative ban bu yingi aga ta ka website ne aga ta ka map aga ba ka perthei ber koi kan ti pali te kum ma kalom ta nadu bang sedang ban pentiu ka kam jong ka perthei lembaga jington jong ka jingwa yo bei ini I baka soka sisa kala simkia haga baki surok kilentik singking naman kapos kapol kilawan kapol jadi kebatumai haga ba ini I baka don ka improvement hoy lese dang bun sibun kijing duna ka soka ro kamde ka basuk lese ba kan trei ndai ngirang don sibun kijing kinti baka jingkermen haga bide baka snong nadu baka ni ka kam juga ka perthai kalawan ini I baki samla kijungi kamtam ke bala pendep kijing pule jeki haga kadan bapher kalau aikam yaki lembaga jington juga traveler's kabang ngingi bu ke society but hang tu yaki sama kalau air ke experience yaki kumnu bakin yakren kumnu bakin khana kumnu bakin sei kasap balong ki baslul nakamta ban penpau yaki ke bang ngingi don but susu nakaleng jongi ini iba nang sikmat lembaga jing adopt jongunu profesor kai Sinha ka jingtermen kadon nakamta kasnong kathau jongi hawe di bagayo ka kot karoi kapal nado ki school ka kocha khia but om tang yak snong kong thong hi ko bang jupen pon ka sport sapor ndei ngilong ki bala kloi na kam tamai telang ban kentiu ya ki be pagi dong ki thain jong ki ga thain ka snong ka badam sadin ka jong
Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTM kabadai ka senjuk jong kinohikai school ad hoc hapok jela Meghalaya ki banadu ka kerdan lower primary, upper primary, secondary but higher secondary menhak arpo hinyotri ubanai balala kilale benya kendu ya u menteri rang ba jela Conrad ki sama secretariat banyak kren bat yasa halor ka jingdon kam jong baro kinohikai school ad hoc ki badon hinyo hajar prapu arngot
Habai kren begini untuk khubor hadin kini kerja kendu unang ilam ke FASTM ubah Kenneth Shadap ulang makani kerja kendu kedai halor ke jingdawa jong ki school ad hoc berpen kelano syaka deficit system namar begini ki school ki dei ki bladan mentala palat artisan snem
bila dawa ya ka deficit system lasma bila ICI ke memorandum Wat Hamadan Malki haka arku pratere bagos arhajar kat kendai ya kan kaju ke memorandum ila ai Wat mai ila kular haka to kapor in sakat yani hapo December Andrai nakadaw jong kani ka first covid second covid kala Islam no to kamlay ra andrai milayo banyak keren paham to sini nila semua tenak ba kata keren ba nila pa ba adin manimi namni no Inong hikai baro ka jaka stiki au yang iya ka kubor mo kimpo asu banyo ngo ya ka kubor ka banyo up si up dan rai menta ka si ngo scam namar la khotru yo director anta la khotru sa iwe officer to ka education department maka ai ka bangya keren lanut daw ngto nila kerpat di kan ini apa Oktober dan rai yo pek ngadan but kam pada Oktober lakum no hapo uno bambarang sakot ilaong ya gitu di ofisar jumli ke badan antoro semua bahan note down bahan pendap no ikam barokan hapo uno bambarang sakot tebalai kasih por sa si benai nomor bah hapek ya ka financial condition dalam kumno kapisa katangka kabiang na yang banay kata ka cingkawa nagtagadaw kan tamaniru nila menjuri bat ngaji ba kani ka cingakran kalau ka cingakran ka bahasa iso bat ni semua scam adu kata-kata ba nakaliang siang minle ya kay ka ba bahatam
Hakawi ka jingja ka bas ngosi ka balaja sendet haka no phai singi jong ka arpu nyotri banai balala haka por kum balai bji ai arngot ki bru ki la khlat hashen bat sangut ki bai pat ki la minsa bat waina ki ula minsa jur hadin ka jingja jing bthai jong ka wei ka parmau ka badon haki binta jong ka chibra bat nagra bil haribhoi district
kumbala yo lum jing tip la ong bagate ka jingja hakori mau ka balak keno bala pentre kam bi an hakate ka than nakaliang kitrai kate ka kori la mot ban pen bithai mau hennen gano phai singi henre la jaban man gani ka jingja ka basnosi la yo jing tip ru ba shwa ka ne ka jingja bithai ka bashir khai ka bala ja hakate ka kori mau kala don ka jing hap slap ka bajor hakate ka than keyboard pulit ka pilang kata outpost kila yar marmar syakate ka jaka ban pen kit ye ki ba mensau syaki jaka sumar ba ka jingtok kit kadang ya syakman Habakran ba uwe ni kinong tray hakani ka kwari ubala man sa malumala uloong bakani ka jingja kalaja haki benta jong ka kwari mau kaba kila thep ya ki bom blasting ban pen bethe hakasngi ka babut halay namar ka jing slap ba ka jing tit perthat kalawra pan ban ya kani ka jingja ka pasongsi
घटना तो ऐसा हुआ है कि मतलब लाइन फायरिंग के लिए ये किया था मतलब वायरिंग हो गया पूरा बाद में बिजली की बारिश का बिजली की वजह से पक गया
आपको अब बोला था ना जो ब्लास्ट हुआ था किस वजह से हुआ था
नहीं ये बारिश की वजह से ना बारिश में जो बिजली होता है ना
हाँ मतलब ऑटोमेटिक ऐसा अचानक से हो गया और जानबूझ के तो वो ब्लास्ट किया बिजली से मतलब वो ब्लास्ट हो गया
naga khubor ka balayo la ya tho ba ka te ka jingja jong ka jing bethai ki te ki artri ki parma ha ka ba ki te ki arngot ki la do e la ka jong ka jing im bat ki te ki sangot ki bei pat ki la men saujur ka de na mar ka jing tiet kan san upar tha ha padeng uslap ubajur
Karkum ke jingte balayo lo mahdian ke jingjirub ikite ki parmao ki badan nagra bil jong ka than umternga pori boy district layo jingte bakite ki parmao ki de ki babi an bala dei try do way wa joy lama barka way pat ka de jong commission kriem layo jingte bru bakate ke jing bethai kalaja hadian baki nong trei jong ka parmao jong wa joy lama kila dep an pin bit pin biang ki thliu bat thap lupai ki bom pin pat mau ban pin bethai ha ka si ka babut Henry namar ke jingjur uslap bar ke jingtir upar thar klawan ra apan bane ke jing bethai ka bashir khai ha ka te ka parmao barki mau kila hair bat sit ka parmao jong commission kriem tar hadu baki nong bala ti mau kila khlat bat men saujur bar ka wei ka trokken mau kila sha tap ha ki mau Halo kini ke jingja nak kalian kenuhun seng phalang jong ke MPSO kala pendam jori kitrai jo kitegi parmau kibla pentrai bian berkumjuru ban ujo dak ijahar pilang kata police outpost halo ketege jingja
tengilawan hangne katum ka jingyo kubor baladon kiba mensau kumjur ladon arngut kibayam Tuna kaliang jungi baseng MPSO ngi penpau ka jing susi ka jungi berkajing sokya ka jungi namar bangitip kini ikwari na kaliang ka board district administration kila dap hakang namar baro kini ikwari kibayat hangne kidai kibayat illegal henry ka ba lengo galong ba hakano ka dur ba kini kitrai ki ba peniat ya kwari kim burom ya ka ka ba district administration kala pha henry ki peniat ba dai lang ba ka jingle jongki ya kane sapoi kini ki jingja ba nakaliang ka sang ipenram jur ya kini ginong peniat jong ka kwari dai ba kim da fikir ba ya lagi nong trai ki jongki saja kane ka jingja hadu ba ulap thei blasting kadai ka jingle bam sunniau jongki lane ba kim don uta skill labor jongki ubantip ya ka protokol jong ka blasting ne hakano ka rukom ngir nakaliang jongi patip henry ka kala jaga jing blas hadin ka tala jaga jing yap jongki breu bat ka jing mensau jongki breu te kum kasang i penrem juri kane ban ngi dawaru ya ka bor jong ka district administration ba kadai ban khang no mardor kine ki kwari baro ki badon kine ki than ki ba penian ar number mo ya kine te nakaliang kasang ru ngin salit bu da ka FIR ru halor kine ki try ki ba penian ya kane kwari ngin salit bu FIR hane po piling kata outpost
Chibra Jorsim aro Nagrabil area ya blasting onga na ko chinga bras onga ni khna wani ke chinga menjal walo bare bara menjal walnis ku athau rebai nio bisong last rong ko ba dithumanga aro chinga yakon cha masina manjenga maina yano kuari bon ne de aga nanda kote maike ya blasting ni bisong ready khajok ar ya blasting ar maike bras ongjok ya ko chinga tau sandina kata rebon kuari damgani ko chinga nakon ya chi kuari kemekan fulinga ne masina manjok ni kemen banga chingni acik manderang dau lebar khagaparang injorong e dongthokenga aro sakani bangalrang sijok onda ekdom spoton sijok bisong de uni kemen dau chinga chanchinga yarang ara maidi ko ngahachim yarang ko chinga dau masina kata chinga gembukon manga ni kema chingni kata MPSO ni kata chinga chingni sarang bare ba chingni madam rang ba ni kema anga piling kata ya noden junni kata anga presiden ngem ngara dau agana tinga chinga ba ya ko FIR ko naminga piling kata outpost ya ko sanangnya kanani
Kawi kabas MTC kabala thumu banwan cheshlon natura kalahap no ashapo akaryat ringdi ha nongshram East Garo Hills district ha kashiteng sinya jong kalai photeri ubnai balala
ha gani ka jingja sangut ki breu kila do e la ka min sem ban bongut kila min saw bat ya ki bala min saw la pen kin no sharong PC na ka benda ka jing sumar ki rescue team na rongjang bat William Nagar Fire and Emergency Service kila yar ka ki shakane ka jingja accident banyo plat yem ya ki bala min saw kat kum ka khubor bala yolum kidan khlai gut kinong shong kali natura bat khat argut na William Nagar bat ka khubor ka pentip ru ba ki ba hayang hasam jong kini ki ba shemlan kila ban phone sa William Nagar police control room ha number pranyo khandai saw nyo nreu san reu khandai reu na ka benta kino ki jingtip bat kila jingiram
really saddened actually when I heard early in the morning that the buses coming from Tura to Shillong met with an accident, a tragic accident, and then lots of young students died who has a dream actually about doing something, be something in the future. And then the tragic had happened actually because you see, being in the government, we should take the responsibility. These things might not have happened here if some kind of accountability was there from before. This kind of incidences is happening every now and then it's very sad. One time in the same road itself, there was a bus accident. Those who are going for some family function, long time back. And then in the same route itself, I was also, in the government though I was in the opposition, I was raising these particular questions again and again. Why the government should take responsibilities that there is no such checking? For example, the drivers who are taking the, public buses, driving the public buses. The public buses, there are many lives actually. Now, for example, you see, in the flight, all the pilots has to take the breathalyzer first, check whether they are alcoholic or whether they drink or not. But in the state, we don't have such checkings, no accountability at all. I have not seen either in the public buses or in the MTC also, not even a single. But lots of drivers are drinking and driving recklessly, but yet no checking, no fine, no nothing. One of my driver actually here in Secretariat itself, he was so drunk. I was about to meet with an accident. But the public drivers, they are dealing with hundreds of passengers every day. If this kind of measurement can be, some kind of a measurement can be taken against the public drivers, against the transportation, I think it would be good. I am writing one letter, at least some kind of a serious steps should be taken. They should take up actually, because it's our responsibility. The incident that had happened today, it's our responsibility. It's a fault of the government, you can see, because the system was not in place. You see, the system was not in place. Because of our negligence, they have to suffer, and their family have to suffer. And I, send my condolences to all the bereaved family. Actually, I am so sad today. I can't, I don't have a word to express my feelings, how sad their family would be. Not only this time, actually, it is happening. Even few days back also in Pura Khasia, a young boy, at the age of 5 years, the class 5, he died. He was, run over by the truck, and another young boy was again run over by the truck, by the exporters, because of some politicians and then some, businessmen. Why innocent people has to be, subjected to this kind of incidences actually, which is very wrong. So government should really take in and then serious note on this one. Any drunk driver should be fined heavily, or they should be disposed of, and then their license should be seized. Not only fined, their license should be seized. You see, and they shouldn't be allowed to drive anymore, because we are dealing with the life of people, okay, which is very bad.
Langut ki samla kila shakem no ha ki pulit jong kanong po police station halor ka jing no ba kila don kti bantu bat rong no ya ki kattu ka nitli ki tiar na krum jong ka nong po town shopping complex bat ring ka ba kila yo ruban kurup ya ka wi ka auto rickshaw ka ba kila penun kam ha ka te ka kam tu
ha ka jing thumu jong kite ki langut ki samla bantu ya ka jing tapnar ka batap ya ka nala hapo ka te ka krum jong ka nong po town shopping complex kala pulam hadin ka jinglap jong manager jong ka te ka complex ubala pentip marmar se ki pulit bat ban kem ya kite ki breo Henry udaibar ko auto rickshaw kabadan niya o number ML10C RUA Arnyo ulay olat ban phetno nakate jaka nakaliang o manager jong kate ka complex ula ujo daga ejahar persya ikibrio badan kti hakani ka kamtu
kalau putrik matau benai adun kejitu ani ha kompleks ka nopong to nopo taw su kompleks abaki jinong tu lawan ban sim kinar ban law ke layo jitep ba ugat ni dan ba wan di ulap ba wan auto ke la bunsi di laiwan la lum kinar di hadian rayo ban karan ba member nakanya kan ko taw ayo ban karan lembau additional verification kania dulu aman file FR nakaliang tengah kemudian depit ini tinggal file ke FR tinggal on kulit tiga jingi toket ni cuma
Haka arpu pratare ubnai balala kawi ka trok kit do yong ka blawan na ki thain mai rang bat pindon kam ya ka surok ka ba na umrit cho umling kala sakut no hashi tenglenti ha ki thain nong lado ribhoi sepni bat kini kala penthut shibun e ya kale ka wan jong ki babun ki brio ki baya limba ka te jaka
katkum ko jing tip layo lom laong ba kate jing ja kala ja ha ka por lai baji agent miet ha ka ba kate ka trok kit do yong ka badan ni number ML06 pra asau pra kelas new kensan bat sakut ha kate jaka ha ka ba na kate jing sakut kate ka trok ha pedang surok kladon cibun ki kali ki ba penangkam ya kate ka surok bat kila sakut ha sitang nanti bat khan da yo la chu ban lai sha ka jaka ba ki thmu ban lai
Hadin kitu ki khubor ngi nyasang ye biang samar shikin tien kwai tang hadin katang yen zwan phai biang shapi ya sa ban ngina ka bentai kini ki pat ki khubor da ka wheelchair ka bakum ka scooter yo usamla obadan jingduna ha ki khotmet na West Khasi Hills district Rakhe ka RBT and ED Forum ya ka World Tourism Day hamar ngar lek. Daka Food Fest bat ka chingkhai dok ha penlong ka MYWS ban sinyang pisa shaka school. Bat kibai de ki khubor. Kidang epet yang ngikir khasi channel ngenya beteng mentai ki khubor ki berangsa. Kalong ka jingkir khu ka bakraw na ka benta u justi passing rinta thiang u samla u bana ka shnong mahoble West Khasi Hills District hadin ba ula yo da ka wheelchair ka balongkum ka scooter manha ka arpo hinyotre u banai balala.
Yakni la IT do menteri rang ba ka jelau kondor ke sangma ringkar ka jeda langki menteri sarkar barki officer. Uba justi passing ubamla bariaj Henry Bonsin u shushong ha ka wheelchair war ha ka yengsa uday uba juthan mula ha yeng ban pindap ela ka jong ka yeng ka sem. Dangshen lingba ka ni ka jingtray kam jong u ula job ka e-challenge entrepreneur ka bade ka Jacob na ka benta ki samla ki baseng kam la jong.
According to 2011 census, we have the record of around 44,000 people. And out of this, disability cards given has been around maybe around 37,000. So as of now, the kind of UDID card, what is called the disability cards, the achievement for the state of Meghalaya has come to nearly 60%. So that way we are still to achieve much more. So we are in the progress of covering the entire lot that will benefit the disabled people. Through these UDID cards, they can avail the different benefits.
Ubaran tathiang usamla uba kari khasi channel kala yolat bariakendo yo u hakini kisnam bala dab hamau blay omtang ba ulong unong than mulao patabit hindre udeiru unong ruai upatabit baru bajurwai bhai ki jirwai nyam bar unang ru bantem gitar. Usamla justi passing ulapan pau ke jinso kemen ban yo kum kani ka wheelchair ka ban long ka jerap ka bakraw yo u.
Bankin mau ya ka sngi ka bakar pang jong ka kam jonga kai perthaina ka World Tourism Day ka Ribhoi Tourism and Environment Development Forum ringkat bat ka markar Eco Tourism Society manha ka arpo nyotre ubnai balala kila penlong ya ka program ka bakar pang ha ka pung bana nam bala tip kum ka marngar lake
Hakani ke program lawan ban aimen siem da uba bi nong kenri district tourism officer ko mukongsan ha kajingdon langru uba plela tu so chairman ka RT and EDF Richard Siem pa iem ka right marngar uba duhun raja bat primosh lingno kinongkit kam ka marngar ecotourism society
Kinumway tourist for inclusive growth kamut lemba ka tourist pinyo ika kamay kaji banay ismo ikasaka kabitanat kasnong kabitanat hendray lemba kisingya isong kituris kiatit kisingmi isong katukasnong natu ki handicrafts kisang kiso kipay kisur kisat pathantam kipay culture kaditi kadustur karyam kabeg katkabam kati kam inclusive growth kikit kiso kipay kibabudokan kiachar kini ki handicrafts kunta terker limba kasinguan ini kiri, but ibriu tulis ibawan kemud ipilut ke pisah. Omban disuang indra ipilut pisah. But tulis kiawan bansuno banpait omban kisah. Kiaw onpait kacaka kaputa kriam kabe kejingmi kasno hadin pat kilik pai sa kacang kalocong. Don kitulis pat kibasa haki hotel but haki guest house, but huti homestay. Hendai bangsa sunam nom sa sunam di turis.
So when kajingai kubli bukerpang kadi beli bisi, wala say ingan kani kuar, wala say wala the idom kan kampu so program we compare so kubli galis iru, but nanga personally singat moka mana kubli kerpang ya kani kari tourism development and environmental forum bajaka. Marngar ecotourism society iba kolom ya kanikas program kanikas ni world tourism di marga se bunsin kunci ni gijat asli bogerpang kunci world environment day ni trek world tourism day bunsin di kolom ni kita sarpa boker pat ngiru ko department na kapor ni si kolom ya program world tourism day hari ini ki asnem mata kajian jaman kam program di penilaan pulau kelas ang hakat online marga kijon ki Pendon di pengimla menbulong, andai semua keman semua pun bisa pengi yang akan lagi bisa terima semua tolong ya kini ka program wala kimde nak kataran sorkar. Bahkan ini rupa kakam di muka kita kelakio dari boy. Kumis pun ya ka forum pada ka mangar itu tourism society. Hakan ini por nga pak benong ba kajing wanda kan yaklam kan bro ina terus kata ya kayo ko kelen ko te bro koy ba kata tourism sector di bawah kata tourism kali gawin kata kata akan ka klam ba ia sai ngam kam kan percaya kata i nongkren mengenai labatai itu kata kan pandemik yang klam ya kam ko kai ko te andai doa ba ni siapa ya kan ni jualan orang Islam kumko opportunity yang ni ibarat kan tourism sector ni kita stakeholder bah in hit yang kata reset button niom pasti nongwe pemut bangin refresh yang lagi himpet kay ba ngiduna boros waktu kay bangihak bangin minwat kita kilat hindi gibatma ben try yang akan tourism nang ni sama. But kung ke department lu, kung kan museum yang ini ki iberi bulan kani akan yung kagate nilasang yang kani ka research tourism mission. But kung sebentar yung kani research tourism mission ni laadop ni lightly ki principal, ni lightly ki mat. Jadi world tourism di hamne po banga. Kuntang ilaya penting ya kinongkikam jong kani ka society yang ni hagama i ba thone raja insim ladon ang ni ridon apne ki sito rege je kendo lang kini ki nongelam ki vice president adu jong iba primos lendo ka team ke jong i inglala bansi me karai dan pelong hang ni kiru kilawel ko me kani bangila persoro bangin kwa ban pelong ya ka program ka bahe ya ka bangin penapait ba namar ka de benta ka bangin pala ban pelong namar ka daw so ka jington so ka pandemic so ka khlam kumta kum ka jing rakhi ban rakhi
nama borok turut ke pertai mata kesni isyem ya ke jingrake man lekmen man kenmau ya ke kesni ke arpio trek jong bunai setemba kum kesni ke pengitip kum ke wall tourism de kesni jong ke jing jong kai pertai ke borok situluk ke pertai ngiyok man lekmen halai ki jong dijaga halai ki jong dislong lembaga kilo di society dan even ke government ru ke judicial ya ke initiative lembaga jong ke tourism department tinggi smokeman ba nakalian jong ke mana society kita pleng ya kani bagi liyo kan pelong ya ni ke program hangli ke jingtmu bagi pelong ya kani kuang bagi ni celebrate lang bat kani ke society jong ke senong mana to pet bapenya ya kani ke mana lik hangli namar house name arjar khandri ikan mau hadir ba lade ban pendek ban penpu penping ya kani ke mana lik ni nakalian ke forum nilawan ban pelong ya kuwe ke program ke banikong angli ke festival ke bahe ke bani isong pun ke bani isong kia sisa ke bagi tip kung ke Marangar Lakeside Festival ban hadir jong kusnan arjar khandri arjar khanyo arjar khan praik ladon di program asnan lenter hangli bagi tip nakalian jungi nilayo ban pelong ya ke Marangar Ethnic Food Festival hakajinya kray rengkap bat ke Marangar Eco Society kalau sisa ke program ke festival ke balaban kering dia kipai ba om tang nako ke distrik ke jungi henry nabar ke distrik ba nabar ke jela hak ba menta kani ke Marangar le la itu ya ka napo ke India hi beroi ne kinong som Da ka jing tmu ban penne pensa e ka me mariang ya ka jing jerngam bat khamtam e ban pen mi pisana ka benta ka yeng school jong ka snong mountaining menha ka arpun ritri ubanai balala ki samla lingba ka mountaining youth welfare and development society ringkat bat ka snong ki la penlong ya ka jing shet banten rai ne ka food fest bat ringkat ka jing kop khwai do kha ha ka te si
Lawan ban aimen sim ki khon samla hakane ka program do bangai lang dakhar UMLA barem ko umroi uba ar khar buki MDC ko umroi uba el lindra in charge ng ka khamara PIC uba August 10 rong bashnong ka mountaining nor ki we de kinong kit kam jo ka mountaining youth welfare and development society kuban kdo ga shnong mountaining ka de ga we ne ki shnong ka blar shimya ka rai ban pinne pansa e ka jingchingam jo ka mariang da ka batingkai ki cloud ki patap ka jingre jing sumari ki ding si bar kumjuru ban numpinan kami ki nugi nugi tiar plastic bar ka ne galong ban kot chaka thong kum ka green village
Ijo yo sngo ki don ki jing ye khwai man la ki chaka man la ki nan ki pung ki bing yo I isno ki don ba ki khwai competition la ne ki khwai pras kyong mene ka por ka bangadang wan hang nei ro ngayo I ki bon ki ni ki pajwa nong khwai ngadang mut thrai ka dai ka khwai competition la ne ka khwai pras Henry daga jing start jong ki samla jong ka ni ka society bat ka jing start jong rong bas nong kam dai pleng ka khwai competition ka dai tang ka jing khut ka jing penmi fon na ka menta ka ni ka school ka badon ha ka ni ka snong ta kumjo ngai ku boleh la ka pandal ka ba kham tam ya ka ni ka sngi ka balong ka ni ka traditional food fest ngam jo yo I sans nem ngalalong MLA hakini ka constituency ngam pat jo yo I ngam pat julap kum gani ka program kabadon ni dukan iba mdon pliang tang kawai ro don bai tang kasla abo pe ya gani ka jinglong ngiket mau ya ki por menchwa ile trelom ye tre bri ia bam bai kijing bam kijing di hakasla kalong kapan kan mau ya ki por ki bam menchwa tekeni kalong ngai kublai kerpang ya ka society ka bala kalau ke bela poi kenmau ban kenmau ya gini ki jinglong tendrai ki jongi namar mentah gini ki sngi bon bengi laklet ya ki jinglong tendrai tengah ku blai gerpang ngapen seluruh susu ya ki samla jong ni ki senong ya ki longkme jong ni ki senong bat khamtam yo rong ba senong ba ngikwa ban yo I kum gini ki jaj program nagapor nagasnem
Kakan huan jong iba Edward Pakma na upper Shlong ringkat ke jingkesan lem jong MLA ka thanyo ba Hamlet Doling manha ka arpu pratre ubanai balala kilapen mi ya laiteli ki jurai ke bathamai
Kini gijiruai bala pelaj pajba doba Hamlet Doling MLA ka Melim kilong kari khasi nangta kadum shira bad tori yangi ye gini gijiruai la pelaj ha kejelang kabla long habor manik college laimer ha kabla dan lang oba Edward Pakma obolong ru unong pun bepin biang ye gini gijiruai ha gini kejelang lai dan lang ru kinong ruai kintup iki kena red oba Hamlet ha bakran ha kini kejelang ulo ang bakani gini ka por ban kinti wela ki jong bar kam dei shu ka por ban yatan para mangi ulong bana kaliang jong uang nut ban yo I bagi hep ki baret bagi samla ki badan ka sab hakarwai ka siaw kin kiyo syafrang
Hey hatu hadulano bakari jong ikan bang Hey, hadu lanu bakilong yang kasikin ka.
Hey, akad no kacing ngok thang. Hey, ban pejing long kari bakar ba.
Iha ban say min simba shinra. Kala dikin kapor hala dikin shong knong. What I bow send by, but you wait to class, Nana Kula Jatung in Tempa. Para mangi what I need long time. Kari kasi, kadai kari jongi, kari kasi. Hey nama kari, kari kasi.
Kini kipa kita ni nathai pura ki ya kasap kapam jadi khod jumki habak wa ye habak sha ye te ada kamtan kajipila pada nathai kini kisah ada baro laku syurwai ye syurwai tinggi syurwai program berapa laku no untuk mana batip beritu ya kasap kapam kejampi Di hapukon ko po nasub na kapi karabang ya iba itu buat bagaimana. Lesim yang dikesenjam kebae kesenjam kebejenjam Bandung berlang ini porok ki artis kidorai. Jauh kepada perslo boleh di bro kawai. Ngarang try tentang sasaran pun. Wah, nanti berangkat ni kan dia. Ayo boleh bah usai ikut apa konstitusi jogi. Kibarang banwai hakisir kibabang kibasya.
Mentapan ngila poisha ka bukut no jong kani ka thup kubor jong kani ka tiyo mentang in sia shambyang bat phi baro ha ka tai ko bat ka tiyo ka banwan kublei phi baro bathyaso